I wanna die. Okay, I am gonna go from the other side. Where I see our guys. Or is my trap? Quick. Wait. This man's stuck inside. I might even help you, bro. As long as it's a sub. Subscribe. I almost have 69 subs. Please. But we cut the video first. So I'm back in the video. It's time for me to make a truck. We're all gonna make a truck. This is gonna be amazing. Yes. That's right, the Chinese restaurant. And the first step is just to wipe chat off, because why not? So okay, so with these, we don't need these doors. Alright, you. This is about how I make a truck. If y'all didn't know this. It's cool. There. Okay, the last thing. I think this is it. I forgot because I quit this game. Oh no, I had to shoot this. Well, I'm done. And that should be your truck. It's pretty simple because I just found this out a few days ago. Back when it's still December. And it's still Christmas while people are trying to kill. So yeah, that's how you get your truck. By the way, I hope the creator of Life in Prison just actually adds a truck. So that you can't even, yo, a UFO, I'm not gonna get tagged though. It's gotta be a short video, like 5 minutes or what, I don't know. Okay, so here we are back at the Ohio prison. And the next thing I'm gonna do is just to go inside the Ohio prison. I always like frame cops, so. Well, I don't think so, too loud, the guns! Dude, please, shut up. Even at that volume, it's so loud. Still so loud, what the hell? This guy's praying, what the hell? You're not allowed to pray at the tree, man. He died! Yo, chill. Bro. Man. This stuff is useless. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Damn, I hate my haters. I have only one, I guess. I'm really bad at aiming stuff. Are you the guy who killed me? I guess not, because he is jumping. Yo, UFO, come back here, man. Come back, man. I want... Yo, stop killing innocent prisoners. Psych. I'm a VIP guard. Is there any such thing as a VIP guard? Okay, I'm just gonna kill random prisoners. Right, that's how you make a truck, guys. So if you want me to make more videos, I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway soon at 100 subs, I guess. If y'all can like the video and sub, it would be appreciated. So now it's time for the video. See ya, boys.